Welcome back to Ghost Watches. I'm Casper. Let's go. And here it is. It is the new limited run Swatch Sistem51 from Hodinkee. I'm just taking a moment right now just to enjoy the watch in its packaging and presentation. This is my first Swatch Sistem51. If you don't know already, it's their automatic movement that's pretty much all entirely made by robots. I think that's how they describe it. First impressions on the watch, this is going to be a really fun piece to wear. It's super lightweight. The rubber straps from Swatch are just incredibly smooth and comfortable on wrist. Check out that winding action. You can see the mainspring coiling up as I turn here. Really gives you a nice inner looking at how the watch works. 15 seconds face up, plus 4 seconds face down. And plus 3 seconds crown left. This is performing pretty nicely straight out of the box for what it is, and I'm going to be doing a detailed look at this a little bit later on. Stay tuned for that, and as always, thank you for watching.